All right, so Joe came up with the best race ever for shotgun. You stand next to each other. Thank you. Okay. The name of the game is the first one to my car gets to ride shotgun.
Passenger door.
Passenger door. I'm sorry. The first one to get to the passenger door.
Of course.
Now, Joe, please explain the rules.
All
Lunges.
is fair as long as we got to pass around the ankles.
Really? All is fair?
Oh, don't push me.
Yeah, I was gonna like,
Okay.
oh, dude, it's odd.
Okay, so there's no fighting, no biting, no licking. You can lick. Okay, try to keep the contact to a minimum, but they have to be around your ankles. So, in about...
Or you could just do some pants all together.
No, they gotta be around the ankles. Gotta be around the ankles. Okay, so, let me get a little farther. Okay, put the pants down. Let's go. To the ankles. To the... She approves. Alright, we're starting in 3, 2, 1, go!
Damn it! Shoulder in my...
Joe slightly cheating.
You lost anyway.
Joe was slightly cheating, but he at least finished out the race like a very solid person.
What I was stepping on.
Okay, any words?
It was a good race.
Ah, shotgun.